company name. One Xerox with color Xerox and one black Xerox, one black and white Xerox. All kinds of stationery such as example notebooks all kinds of stationery products, pen, color pen, all the files, spiral binding, printouts, lamination and etc. Also, we are going to invest our own investment 15 lakh rupees so that we can manage our store easily. This will be my manager. One manager, we are going to pay him 9,000 per month. 4 salesmen we are required. We want the 4 salesmen. We pay them 4,000 per month. One accountant 5,000 per month. Selecting process. Our selecting process is that first should be minimum 12. It should be at least minimum QC. Yes, we should do QC for a salesman. Second, it should at least learn some local language like English no. Some local language we should know to speak at least some local language so that he can deal with the customers. Next is manager should have work experience of 3 years and should have certain degree. Not just should have a certain degree so that we can appoint a manager. Budget of marketing. We are going to attach our store by banners by expanding the banners. We are going to locate some banners near colleges like VTU, Jain Engineering and EIT, and some other local school and good schools. It will cost up to at least 10,000. Small. Estimation of this concept is land and infrastructure 11,000. We have purchased on rent. Machine and installation charges will be up to 2,50,000. 2,50,000 means we are going to buy Xerox machine might cost 80,000, 1 lakh also, and printers, computers, and some other books. We are providing books also, so it can cost 2,50,000. Insurance 50,000. Electric charges 5,000 per month, because the 5,000 means the machines will work, Xerox machines will work, the color Xerox require more electricity. Then other we are going to install a AC for color Xerox machine. Nowadays the AC is required for the UVC to come. And labor is 30,000 per month. I mean all together 30,000 per month.
Okay, tell me, how do you purchase a place on rent?
We are not going to purchase.
That's what I'm asking. You said you can purchase the company. How can you purchase the company?
But we are not going to purchase. But we are not going to purchase. We take on rent.
What is the area?
800 square feet.
800 square feet. And you want to start a photocopy center?
No, photocopy no.
What is the difference between Xerox and photocopy? What is the difference between Xerox and photocopy? What is Xerox? What is photocopy? Please tell me. It's a good thing.
Both are things.
We definitely need it. Right. What is the difference between a photocopy and a Xerox? Both are things. Both are things. I'm asking you the difference. I'm not asking you whether it's same. What is the difference? If you are into that business, you should know what is the difference.
The Xerox means we will put paper and I felt that because there are already 2 candidates come up there, you had no other alternative rather go over this option.
No, it's a good concept, the need of PR, but in terms of the basics, it's a good idea.
Then